welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title and the thumbnail in the background, we're gonna be cleaning and rearranging my room. But it look crazy right now, but I don't care. I'm gonna show y'all because there's people's rooms that's worse than mine. Okay, I be looking at these videos on YouTube and they be looking crazy. People be having food under the bed and all that. But so my bed is right here. All right, so when you walk in my room, right, you walk in, boom, you see my bed right here, and then my laundry basket was right here, but it's over there right now because I'm washing. I wish I had my mic. I don't know where's my mic, so y'all can hear me better. But anyway, so when you come in my room, my bed is right here, and then there's a pile of like, not a pile, but a couple of like bed sheets and a few of my jeans, but it's all clean. It's just sitting there. And then y'all still could see. Okay, so my AC's right here. I'm gonna just clean up basically, and once I'm done cleaning up, I'm gonna move my bed to where y'all at right now. So I'm gonna show y'all. So boom, my closet is good. I just gotta close that. That's my dog's blanket. That's my daughter's. This little chair thing. She doesn't even use it though. But yeah, I'm gonna just fix up basically. I just have little stuff laying around like my blower and her little toy and wires and my heater, my tripod, a diaper. All right, so this corner right here is what we're gonna move. So I have to move this dresser. This is all my daughter's clothes. Yeah, I see all that junk up there. So I'm gonna move from right here. I want y'all to see me better, like instead of me just holding the damn. All right, I'm gonna put y'all right here. Hopefully y'all can see. Move that. All right, so you see my vanity. So when you walk in my room, my bed is right here, and then I set my vanity, and then my dresser's right here. So I'm gonna take my dresser and the light, and I'm gonna move it to where my bed is at, and then my bed to over there. You see what I'm saying? But it's gonna be like, so you see how it's like this, my bed? It's gonna be like this, but next to the wall. And then y'all see that little mirror? I got two mirrors screwed on the wall, whatever. So I already have a vision of how you feel me? So when I move this over there, I'm waiting for my vanity to come in the mail. So I just ordered the vanity. I've been wanting a vanity for years. So I finally got one, and I'm just waiting for it in the mail. And that is also going to be on this side. So I'm just putting this dresser right here on this side for now, just to be out the way from right here. But once my vanity comes, I'm going to move the dresser out the way, probably slide it over, and then put my vanity in that corner where my bed is at, as you can see. So I'm going to put my vanity right there, okay? Hopefully y'all get the little image, okay? Hopefully y'all get it. So move my bed to that side, that to this side. This side I don't got to focus on. I just got to clean up a little bit. But, yeah. So y'all get it. I just wanted to do a little, how you say it? I wanted to just put y'all on so y'all could know what I'm doing and see what I'm doing. All right, so first we're gonna start with this, okay? So first we have to get everything off that's up here. So let me get a few sips because, you know, this is my drug. Now my foot be in the broom. I'm about to shower after this anyways. But we're gonna move all this. So in order to get my bed on this side, I have to move this out the way. So I have so many things, like it's not even funny. But I'm happy I bought a vanity because this room is bigger than my last room. So it looks so empty in here, like especially when I clean up. It looks like regular now, but when I clean up the room and I pick everything up, it looks so empty, like there's nothing in here but my bed. So but my bed and this. My tripod that I don't use. I've been having so many tripods and everything, and I don't use it. So we're gonna move this. There goes my Blistex. So I have a little Blistex back there. I gotta sweep and then mop. Alright, so we're gonna move this for now. Looking at my room like this, I get bored quick, so yeah, I'm just gonna switch my room around and make it look like a different environment. I'm gonna be back though because I gotta go get the broom. Alright, I got the broom. Hello? But now I'm about to move the bed. I don't like these black sheets because I should have bought black silk instead of this because it be looking dirty sometimes, like the blanket itself. Like you see matte cotton on it. You could wash it and it still look like ew. should have space there. So my vanity is gonna go right there, and I'm happy because there's a plug right there too, an outlet. I'm trying to see something though because if it look like I don't have that much room no more. We're gonna see. We're gonna get there. All right, so now y'all see it's different. This right here, her little cart, you can say. I'm gonna fix that. I'll fix my bed, and then I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna take my clean clothes and put them in a bag, and then I have to do something with that box of diapers because she's not using it right now yet. So I have to put it in a closet out there somewhere. And then this is gonna go away, this ring light, once my vanity comes, because when my vanity comes, the light is gonna be bright enough. So I probably wouldn't even need this out right now, and it's taking up space. So I'm gonna leave it out for now, but when my vanity comes, I'm gonna put it in the closet somewhere. Yeah, I'm gonna try to find space. And that's pretty much it with this room. And then I just gotta pick up the wires and stuff like that. So yeah. What I'm about to do now though is do this first. This little section right here. Good. Alright. So I'm gonna put that there. AC is gonna get out too. I'm gonna have to stash it in my closet or put it out there somewhere because winter's coming. So yeah, I have to get rid of that. Alright y'all, so I'm already done basically. I just have to fix my bed, and damn, it sounds like an echo a little bit. But yeah, I just have to fix this and organize it. So that's what we're gonna do. This is her little sound machine. So I'm gonna start with the bottom first, and I'm actually gonna put her little bears that I have right here. Like all her little bears and fluffy toys, I'm gonna put down here. And then up here, I'm gonna just organize like diapers, wipes, stuff like that. I'm gonna put all my stuff to the side. This is her teething. She started teething already, but I don't think I need that just yet. I'm gonna just wait a little bit to use it. And then this is my little wax machine. Haven't used it in a little minute, but I actually need to get wipies. This is a little thing I did of her foot. I forgot how many months she was, but it came out messed up, so I had to do it over, but I never did it again. But I do have more, so I'll probably do it soon. Then I have some nail stuff down here, of course. My nail stuff be everywhere. I do want to do my nails though again soon. I want to be a bird again. This right here, y'all gotta get it. Y'all have to get it. Do y'all see this? Take a screenshot. Open it and smell it. They sell it in Wegmans supermarket or go to the beauty supply. I use it when I get out the shower. It's Palmer Shea Butter Formula with vitamin E. Raw Shea Nourish Body Balm. Vanilla. That's the scent. Vanilla. Go get it. This is her nail filer. She's allergic to this lotion, sadly. My little change. Bobby pins. Also, I have more than, right? Or these are the same ones. This is for my AC. These pills I was taking for lactation when I was pumping. I pump once in a while still. I don't do it too much because I'm not getting much. But I try to take these because supposedly it was helping, but I'm not going to front. I stopped taking it. So I don't know if it's expired or not. I don't know. I just feel like it wasn't working. Like, you either produce or you don't. Okay? Okay. My stuff is my dogs. See, I just have mad junk in here. I have little earrings with the gun. I don't know where the gun is at right now. But then I got my little hair oils. This is my little box for my perfume from TikTok shop. Hand wipes. I should just use these wipes to clean that because I don't even use them. I gotta put them to use somehow. This, I got all my clips and all my junk in. her diapers. All right, so I still have to fix my bed, as you can see, but I already cleared up the floor, swept, mopped. Yeah. And this I have to do next. Then I already organized her little toys down there, her white bees. There's still more in the car, but I just put that there for now. And then her little teething items, but she's not really complaining right now, so I'm not trying to use it yet. Her diapers, Aquaphor, sound machine, hello teddy bear, and her nail filer. This I'm gonna actually take out now because it's time to go to bed and she's gonna need that. Then right here we have the dresser. So when I get my vanity, like I said, I am gonna line it up on this wall because my mother's telling me to put it right here next to this stuff, but I feel like it's gonna look tacky, so I might just put it there and then move this over. I don't know, we'll see. But yesy, I couldn't wait. And then my little, what you call these, lights, and then my little lotion, deodorant, perfume, digital camera from TikTok. It's a keychain. I got this from TikTok too, this little perfume. I got that for free actually in this. So yeah, that's that. I have to finish fixing my bed and then I'm gonna fix this and I should be done with the room. So tell me why I thought I was recording and I wasn't. Anyways, like I was saying, I'm putting my vanity there. I'm not gonna show me putting my vanity together. That's for a separate video. I did have to order my chair separate because the vanity I ordered didn't come with a chair, so I had to do it separate. But I still have to fix my bed and this little area right here behind me. So after I do that, that's gonna be it for this video until my stuff get here, and then I'm gonna add that in this video. I don't know when I'm gonna get my carpet yet though, so yeah, but that's it for this clip. I guess I'm gonna show y'all when I finish my bed and stuff like that. Hey guys, so it is the next day or 2 days later. 2 days later. And my chair came. My chair finally came. My chair was supposed to come tomorrow. No, my vanity was supposed to come tomorrow, and then my chair was supposed to come Thursday. But they both coming today. Well, the chair came already, but the vanity is coming today as well, so that's good. My brother, I was gonna have my brother build it for me just because I don't feel like it, but I don't know. I might build it today. I don't know, but if I don't, we're just gonna build this one for now, at least the chair. And to be honest, this is easy, so it's not really building. So yeah, I need to find my scissors. Y'all don't understand. That y'all don't understand my drugs. All right, so I bought this one on Amazon. I did see this chair on TikTok Shop and Walmart. I feel like it was a little too expensive though for this chair. Like it wasn't too expensive, but it was too expensive. You feel me? Right, Nevaeh? You see what I'm saying? So on Amazon it was 46 and some change. On TikTok Shop it was like 60 something, 50 something. I don't know. I was not paying that much. I'm sorry. I think the legs are inside because it also has a storage compartment. So that's what I like about this chair. And it's suede, white and suede. Look at this one, man nosy. Let me show y'all. This is how it looks. And yeah, the manual's in here. Right, so I'm gonna put this on top of here while I build the legs. I don't want it to get dirty. Nevaeh, baby. I forgot my screws. I mean my screwdriver. Oh, it come with a little L key, so I don't need the. Oh. All right, good. It's not that. It's not that gold. I thought it was like a real dark gold. I don't like that. All right, it's still on its way, so I don't know what the hell my dog was barking at. Oh, it's not short. It's not short. What you say? I'm about to do my makeup. Like, just stop. Let me show y'all. What was that? Yeah, I built that. Well, I'm gonna get back to y'all when my vanity gets here. I think I am just gonna build it myself. I'm not gonna show a lot of clips in this video of me building it because that's gonna be a separate video, like I said in my other clip. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. Respectfully, it's a screw I didn't put in. It's not adding up. It's not. So I just left that screw empty. What's next? That goes on the sides. Remember? What's going on, chat? So this is the little vanity or whatever. I took like 85 years building it, and it was pissing me off. But I'm gonna show y'all. Boom, boom, boom. My little camera right there. I'm gonna put my other two right here. There's the drawers. I'm gonna mic in there. This, I'm gonna have my brother do this part because I was confused. So he's coming to my house tomorrow. So I left the pieces in here for him to do that. And that's in the back. And then this is the bottom. I don't know which one I like more. Probably this. No. Probably this. Alright guys, this is how my room is looking. I decided to just leave this dresser next to the vanity. So I cornered the vanity. My bed is messed up right now because, yeah, don't mind that. I have a kid, so you know. But yeah, this is the rearrangement. Remember, my bed was over here, so I'm loving this. I'm loving it. Then my chair has storage. Yeah. Talk to me. Then we got the little perfumes. I still gotta put more there. My little keychain camera. Yes, it's an actual camera. And yeah. And then my bed. Y'all see that? I have to fix it, but yeah, this is it.